Hey, it's Norb, and I'm going to show you how to set up domain forwarding using GoDaddy. Domain forwarding is used to redirect traffic from one domain name to another domain or website. There's a number of reasons for using this, but I'll go over those in another video. Right now, let's go ahead and get this set up. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and go to GoDaddy.com and log in. So I click on my account on the top right hand side. And then again, please log in and type in your username and password and secure login. Alright, now that we're within our account, on the left hand side there's a link for Domain Manager. Go ahead and click that. This will open a dashboard in a new window. So now we're going to pick a domain name we're going to work with. And put a check in the box. Up top you have several different icons. We're going to click on forward and then forward domain, and here we go. So over here you get to pick the website you want to forward this domain to. So what I did is I went ahead and picked a page off of allposters.com. This is an individual page. You can forward this. You can forward your domain to allposters.com, or you can pick individual pages. Doesn't matter. You can even forward to a YouTube video, really anything that's out there. So what we're going to do here is we're going to select this URL over here and copy this whole thing up to the www part. Right click, copy, go back to your domain manager, right click and paste that in. The reason we didn't include the HTTP part is because it's already in here for you. Alright, next, leave this checked, click on Advanced Options. A couple of things here. The options for forwarding. Permanent forward is also known as 301 redirect. That's the one you're pretty much going to be sticking with unless you're only forwarding the website temporarily. And that's a 302 redirect or a temporary redirect for you. So you will leave this on permanent. And then the very interesting and powerful option over here, forwarding with masking. What happens when you forward with masking is, even though somebody will type in, when enabled, even though somebody will type in allthingslimited.com, it can take them to the to this very particular website, but in their browser window, allthingslimited.com will still show up instead of this long address over here. So that's what forwarding with masking does. And it also gives you the option of picking out your title and description as well as keywords. The two most important things over here are the title and the description. Keywords you really don't have to worry about. You can even leave this blank. So since we're doing entourage, let me give you an example. I had this pulled up here as far as the title and the description go. This is just a simple search for entourage posters, and you have a couple of results here. So the title is right here in blue, shows up on top of every search engine result, and then the description is in black. So this is basically what you're typing in back here in the domain manager. So let's type in something meaningful. For the title, we can put some simple entourage posters. And for the description, sound a little bit more creative. That basically grabs people's attention if they see this in the search engine result. Entourage posters sold here. So we have the largest selection of movie and TV show posters on the net. Alright, keywords I'm going to leave blank. When you get done setting this up, all you have to do is click OK. Wait for it to load. Please allow a few minutes. Usually this works for me within 15-20 minutes. Depending on the time of day. Sometimes it can take up to 24-48 hours. So we'll check back in a little bit. Alright, 15 minutes has passed by. Let's see if it's working. Alright, perfect. So going to our domain name, it's pulling up the All Posters website, and in particular the entourage page. Now take a note of what's displayed in the browser URL window. It's allthingslimited.com. It's not that long link. Let's go back to the original website. This is the actual full link for this particular page. And it's going to so it displays all things limited because we've enabled domain masking. In fact, it's going to keep saying allthingslimited.com regardless of where we go on this page. We can go product types or anywhere else, and it's going to keep saying all things limited as long as that domain masking is enabled. A few other things to take a note of. We set the domain title and the description. So the title shows up here on the top of the browser window. And even though we can't see the description right now, if we check the source of the page, it's going to give you again the title is on trash posters, and the description is again a description we've put in on trash posters sold here, and we have the large selection of and so forth. Notice the keywords is not included in here because we didn't fill that out. And again, for that, please check my other post about keywords, meta tag, and Google search engine. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below.